This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon steak sauce. First, let's cover the essentials for building a great sauce. Begin by sautéing 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 small shallot in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once fragrant, deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of dry white wine or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. This creates a flavorful foundation for any sauce you choose to make, ensuring a delicious complement to your perfectly cooked salmon. For a classic creamy dill sauce, after deglazing, add 1/2 cup of heavy cream to your pan. Stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill and the juice of 1/2 a lemon. Allow the sauce to simmer gently over medium-low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it coats the back of a spoon. Finish with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for a truly delightful and aromatic topping. If you prefer a brighter, zesty option, try a lemon butter garlic sauce. In a clean pan, melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in the juice of 1 whole lemon and 2 tablespoons of dry white wine. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple yet vibrant sauce is ready in under 5 minutes. For an Asian-inspired twist, a sweet and savory glaze is fantastic. In a small saucepan, combine 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reduces and thickens into a beautiful glaze. Brush this delicious glaze onto your salmon during the last few minutes of baking or grilling for a caramelized finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.